What is up, YouTube? Back at you with yet another YouTube video. Today, guys, we're going to be talking about the swing arm that's going to be going on this bike and pretty much deciding what's better, stock swing arm or a stretched setup. And it all depends, honestly, on what you like to do more. Me, I like to roll race. I like to do, you know what I'm saying? I like to race. I like to race bikes, cars, and that's just what I like to do. I do like hitting twisties. I do like hitting the corners. I like hitting corners at at high speed as well. But I bought this bike for it to be fast in a straight line. I did not buy this bike to go to the track. I did not buy this bike to hit corners. I did not buy this bike to go, very fast on a turn or anything like that, which it is capable of doing. But as of now, um, the stock swing arm is pretty cool. I did want to push the limit of the stock swing arm, not gonna lie, but um, I don't know. I found a good deal on a used swing arm, on a used extended swing arm, so that's what I'm gonna be putting on the bike. So y'all do know that the bike is gonna have a stretch on it. I'm still not sure if it's gonna be a 6-inch or 8-inch stretch, but it definitely is gonna be stretched. The bike is gonna look a lot different. The bike is gonna get lowered from the back and the front, maybe about 1 to 2 inches. I'm not really sure yet, but um, for now, the bike is, pretty much just stock. It has a full exhaust, you know, but other than that, the bike is on a stock tune. The bike has not been flashed. The bike does not have a tune on it. And yeah, wow, that sucks. I just saw this, and this is missing. Wow. But yeah, got some little shit that I have to fix right now when I go home. Um, but I am gonna be taking off a lot of weight of the bike. The bike is gonna be a roll race bike, man. The bike is not gonna be anything else. But I do want to show you guys maybe me riding around a little bit on the last couple of videos of me on the stock swing arm. So yeah, let's go out there and get a little ride in. And I'll talk to you guys more about why I am deciding to stretch the bike and not use the little bit of extra room that they give you with the stock swing arm, because I do believe you can lower the bike and and stretch, not stretch it, but pretty much put the wheel a little bit more back with the stock swing arm. But that's just not something I'm gonna do. I was gonna do that, but I found a good deal on a swing arm, so we're no longer doing that. But let's go get a ride in. But yeah, guys, we're just gonna go on a little cruise. You know, enjoy this beautiful weather. We've been having a bunch of rain. I finally was able to go to work today. I detailed a beautiful, beautiful SVT Lightning. And then, yeah, obviously with the rain, I couldn't go to work. So, super happy now that it hasn't been raining. It's gonna be a little loud in here, not gonna lie. So, let me get out of here first and then we'll talk. So yeah, guys, like I was saying, like you can tell, I'm wearing a t-shirt. The weather is amazing. We have not had good weather. It's been freezing. It's been raining. Weather here in Houston has been horrible. But, like I said, today we have a beautiful day, and I want to take advantage of it and have a beautiful ride today. Have a little fun today. I don't know. Obviously, it's a nice day outside. Man, I don't know what way I should go. I don't know if I want to go west or east. Don't mind me, don't mind me, don't mind me. Y'all heard that? Or am I tripping? Boom! Right there. Squish me. I'd be dead. I'd be dead. I'd be dead. Swish me. I can't wait till she's finally tuned, guys. The bike is gonna get a tune. It's gonna get a stretch, different sprockets, a new chain, front. One of the front brakes is gonna get deleted. Rear brakes is gonna get deleted. What else? I think that's it. And then, you know, obviously it's gonna get tuned. The bike is gonna get tuned by Carita Motorsports over there in Florida. I am gonna do a flash through them. I was thinking of getting the bike tuned here locally, maybe here locally in Texas. But they're just a little too expensive, and I'd rather just get the bike tuned by somebody that obviously has some of the fastest S1000s in the world. So I would be going with Carita Motorsports, and I think they're gonna take care of me. Yeah, I'm leaning to Carita Motorsports. They do have some nice BMWs. I think the fastest S1000 in Dallas, I think, or in Texas, it's actually tuned by Carita Motorsports. So we shall see, we shall see. You know, the bike definitely needs a tune, man. The bike needs to open up. That's just what the bike needs, you know? I'm also going to be putting velocity stacks on the bike. I don't know if I already said that. Some velocity stacks and all the good stuff. All the good old things, man. We got to make sure this bike is killer. I'm a big dude, man. I weigh like 265 pounds. So I'm a big dude on this bike. Obviously, I want to lose weight, but I don't think I'm going to be able to lose 60. I want to get down to like 200, 210 the max. I don't think I can get to 200 or 210 by March. March is Texas 2K. I want to have this beautiful bike ready for 2K. Obviously, it's, you know, I can maybe get halfway there, you know, if I really get in the gym and stuff like that, but I'd be a little busy. I have been going to the gym here and there, but, you know, we're still going to make it happen. We're still going to make sure this bike kicks ass. And yeah, we shall have some fun with this beast, man. Also, I love stock wheelbase. I love how it looks, you know, but I'm tall. I'm very tall. Stock wheelbase bikes on me, I look like I'm fucking raping the bike, you know? It looks like I'm raping the bike, and honestly, a stretch is just gonna make the bike look super long, gonna make me look more on the bike, and stuff like that. It's just gonna make the bike look like it fits me more, you know? Sheesh! Good S580. I didn't step the bike down, so the bike is definitely taking off on me, whirling all over the place. So we're chilling, you know, we're cruising right now. And I don't have an undershirt on, so my whole back, my whole belly is showing. Before I started recording, before I had got to the spot where I was at, I had a state trooper get on my ass, and I was like, holy shit, this dude's about to pull me over. But he didn't, so shout out to that state trooper. Shout out that trooper, man. And I have been getting, you know, I've been getting
definitely talk shit on about, oh, you need to tuck more, you need to do this. My boy, I got a huge belly. I got a huge belly, and this is a huge tank. I can tuck as much as I want. I'm not getting all up under this little thing, man. I'm a big dude, man. So, there goes your answer on that. I mean, yeah, I can tuck all I want. I can have the perfect tuck for a big dude. You're not getting under that windscreen, man. You're just not. Oh shit, and I forgot I don't have a thing for this. So we're definitely gonna make a short run. I don't want nothing to, ow! I don't want that thing flying off on me and me having to buy another one. But yeah, guys, you guys let me know in the comments, what do you guys like more? Stock wheelbase or, you know, bikes with swing arms and stretch swing arms and stuff like that? I like them both, man. You know, bikes look crazy either way. I just love the swing arm more. Always gotta make sure you don't got company behind you. I love how this bike sounds. I love how it rides. I love everything about this fucking bike. I'm trying to learn how to wheelie for you guys too before I take off this damn swing arm, but it's just not gonna happen. I don't know how to do that shit. People are like, oh, pump the clutch. I'd be, huh? I'd be like, bet. See, it don't come off. I be pussy. I be pussy, gang. I can't wheelie for shit. I can't wheelie for a goddamn thing, even if I wanted to, bro. A killer put a gun to my head and said, "Willie, or I'm gonna kill you." Well, you gonna have to kill me, my boy. I don't know how to fucking wheelie. Yeah. I also think dig racing on bikes is fucking wild, bro. Like, that shit is wild. When I be seeing the bikes go to the track, fucking swing arm, as long as my fucking, never mind. Yeah, bro, that shit is fucked. Oh, look who's here. He don't like to play though. They don't like to play, so. I'm telling you, bro, this bike is just too dangerous. Like, I just want to be speeding all the time. And that's the bad part. Wanting to speed all day. Wanting to speed all day you're on the bike. No good, no good. I need to get me like a fucking Grom or something. I honestly want another bike, but I don't want to get another like actual leader bike, if that makes sense, unless it's the bike that I really, really want. And the bike that I really, really want next to this bike, it's either an H2 or a fully built ZX10R. I don't want no other bike. Ducatis are beautiful, Aprilias are beautiful, Jakesters are cool, Yamahas are fire. I just need another Ninja, bro. Like, I miss my ZX10R. That bike was gonna be killer too. You know, sadly I got hit on it. But we're going to most likely get another one, or it's either I build a ZX10R, I get a ZX10R, build it, make it one of the fastest roll bikes, I guess, or you know, beautiful bike, or I get an H2. I save up a little bit of more money, I get an H2, and then I build that monster, man. And sheesh, when they got this little baby right here, they're gonna have to meet big baby over there, you heard? That's just a fact, you know, that's just a fact. Whenever I go out and they get the fuck out of this bike, which, you know, hopefully it doesn't happen a lot. Oh, baby. I'm gonna be like, H2, come out. And she finna come out talking about, and I'm like, yeah, nigga, what's good? So, you know what I mean? Damn, that's a badass tow truck. That's a badass tow rig. It's fire. But yeah, man, those are my two dream bikes. It's a not a ZX10R, it's a H2, and have this beautiful S1000 next to it. Obviously, I want to make this one fast before I even think about going and getting another bike, because, you know, you gotta have this one looking pretty. I also want to, do, like, I don't know if I wanted to do the forged carbon, or I want to do the, am I even recording? Yeah, I am. I don't know if I want to do the forged carbon, or I want to do the regular twill carbon. I already have a little bit of carbon on the bike, and it is twill, so I don't want to do a mixture of twill and forged, because I just don't want that. But I definitely saw the forged, and geez Louise, that shit looks fire. But yeah, man, I don't know. I definitely, you know, I got a lot of things that come in for the bike, and I really hope you guys are enjoying these videos, because I'm bringing them off for you guys, nobody else. And I'm super happy that, you know, people are actually tuning in still, commenting and all of that. Y'all are enjoying the bike vlogs. Y'all aren't asking for car videos, which I am totally aware that I started with car shit. And look, I got a Z01 at the crib. I don't know if I want to mod that car. I also have been thinking of doing something. But that's gonna be a whole separate video. For now, we were just talking about stock swing arm or stretch swing arm. And in my opinion, I like the stretch. I like the stretch more, and that's just me. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know it was a short ride. I'm super sorry, but I don't want this windscreen to fly off. I already had to buy a new one. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And S1K Tito is signing out.